last night it was cold. If I'm not mistaken, it's like -21, and I plug in my car, and because my garage is not a heated garage, and suddenly this morning when I drive my car, suddenly there was a warning pop up on my dashboard, and it says all-wheel drive system malfunction and two-wheel drive mode engage, and there's like engine system lights on and warning sign on, and I think the cold factor, the cold weather temperature was the factor of these issues here. And it says visit your dealership. If I'm going to go to the dealership, I'm sure it will hurt my pocket again. I don't know if you guys have any suggestions, ideas how to fix this one, but I'm sure YouTube will help me. I will just go to the YouTube University and do some research for this. Thank you.